Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm the Chromecast uses a 5V1A power adapter and a firm cable connection. Inspect the USB cable and adapter for damage and test an alternative outlet. Second, verify the TV input, HDMI port, and HDMI extender alignment are correct and secure. Cycle the TV input to the right HDMI slot and test another HDMI jack if possible. Third, check your Wi-Fi network name and signal strength within 3 feet of the device before further troubleshooting. Reboot by unplugging power for 10 seconds, then plug back in and wait 1 minute. Confirm the Chromecast LED blinks and the TV shows the boot animation before proceeding. Use the Google Home app to select the device and tap Restart from Settings if the reboot fails. If problems persist, factory reset from the device by holding the button for 25 seconds until the LED changes color and the TV shows a reset prompt. Follow on-screen steps to reconfigure Wi-Fi and account details afterward. Switch the Chromecast to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band if 5 GHz causes frequent dropouts in your space. Try rebooting your router and placing the Chromecast closer to the router for a stronger signal. Use an HDMI extender to reduce interference and keep the Chromecast case 3.5 inches from other electronics for better ventilation. If the LED never lights or the device fails after all resets and power swaps, buy a replacement Chromecast or contact support for hardware exchange options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.